everybody. Today I just want to show you my activities to cut down my banana, candle banana over there, guys. Yeah, that's my candle banana. I just want to cut down my candle banana, guys. So I just want to show you. That's my candle banana. Yeah, I just want to show you. I want to cut down my candle banana, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Okay guys, so come back to my channel. Thank a lot to support this channel. Thanks to subscribe, share, like this video. So I start to cut down my candle banana behind my house. Cut down my candle banana. Okay, watch out. Okay guys, let's go. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank a lot. Thanks to watch this video. Yeah, this is my candle banana. I think it's already ripe on the tree. I just worry if the monkeys come to buy it. I think I think just worry if the monkey come to destroy it, so I have to cut them because it's already ripe on the tree. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. This is my this candle banana. In Indonesian language we call candle. The name of this banana is candle. I think you know the candle banana is good. It's used for the fried food in Indonesia. You know, fried banana in Indonesia. A lot the people along this road to sell this fried candle banana. You know, I think this mixed with the margarine. Yeah, I think a lot the dish in Indonesia. I think in another country can use. I think can be used with the candle banana, guys. Yeah, I just want to show you my activities today to cut down my candle banana already ripe on the tree behind my house. Candle banana is so famous in Indonesia for the fried uh, food. It's like fried banana. I think if you come to Indonesia, you cannot try the fried banana. Yeah, that's I think already ripe on the tree, guys. Okay, thank a lot to support this channel, guys. I hope you enjoy. Oke, kawan-kawan, aku hanya mau berdebang pohon pisang ya. Pisang lilinku di belakang rumah sudah hampir matang di pohon. Ya, aku hanya khawatir nanti dia dimakan monyet segala macam. Terima kasih yang sudah like, comment, share, dan subscribe video ini. Semoga terhibur. Okay, guys. I already cut down my candle banana, guys. This the yeah, you can see the my candle banana already ripe on the tree. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. This is behind my house. It's almost in Indonesia. It's a rain season right now, guys. I think every day is rain season in Indonesia, including the wind. You know, yeah, I just want to clean the banana tree, clean up, and put it over there. Yeah, you know, it's on my hand. It's the cloth of the king's plantation, guys. Yeah, I don't know. My camera become like that. So maybe it's because of the water. Yeah, it's of the I don't know. My camera become the little bit white like this. Okay. I think it's flash. Okay guys, thank a lot to support this channel. I hope you enjoy this video. That's my banana already cut down and I put on the ground. That's the crowd of the king plantation fruit. Yeah, over there. That that one. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See
Okay
you.
guys, thanks.